Hey YouTube fam and pilots, welcome back to the channel. This is Madman216 FPV here. I'm coming to you from Brooklyn, Ohio at Hurricane Alley. This is my favorite place to fly, no secret there. Today I'm just going to go ahead and just practice some gaps, tree gaps and whatnot. I'm going to stay away from the power lines that are on the other side of this park, but it's just going to be some basic freestyle stuff. I'm going to go between two drones. I have a 4S, that mean bit that I totally rebuilt into a version 2. We'll go over that in a little while later on down this video. And I've got a 6S that I'm going to put the GoPro on as well. But without further ado, let's get her started. Alright, so with the first drone up is going to be what I call the mean bit version 2. This is a 4S build. Based off of a Blade F722 20x20 flight controller. There's an iFlight 20x20 ESC right underneath, and there's that really cool Speedy Bee TX800 VTX with the heatsink mounted. Alright, and you notice my wiring's twisted. Ever since I started doing that, all my videos started being pretty clear, you know, besides the normal analog interference, but no lines, no static, none of the sort. Alright, before I go launching this thing, I'm going to do a couple of the high-speed passes. And I'm going to try to split the video into two different sources combined into one on the screen. Kind of like a Elgato video game capture, whatchamacallit. So I'm still green at this. We're going to try and see if we can put this monster together. But let me show you what this thing looks like with the GoPro 8 and the battery. It's crazy. All right, yeah. Crazy ass up tilt to match my Caddx. Yeah, because we're gonna go for speed on these couple of runs. But yeah, old venerable iFlight camera enclosure that I've destroyed the original feet for, so we're flying on the GoPro feet. But yeah. Let's do this. Let's rip. Alright guys, practice time. Let's see what disaster awaits. Gotcha. Model select. Boom, boom, boom. I love this radio. Mean bit. Alright, ready. that was interesting. I got some high-speed passes there, and at the very end, as I was landing, I had the top of the motor pop off. I'm going to go ahead and put some blue sealer on there and put it back together, but that's what we got. It happened about maybe a foot, half a foot away from the pavement, so there's no debris. I went ahead and checked. No busted windings, but I'm going to go ahead and see if I can slow that down in post so we could actually see this thing fly right off. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put it back together and use the blue thread sealer on there. Only the blue, not the red. The blue, guys. Alright guys, that's going to do it here for me today. It's just a quick end to the video. Some people showed up and I didn't want to put anybody in harm's way. So I'm going to take a little bit back home, reprop it, put the new plate post, and use her on the next video. Alright guys, have a good one.